So I've worked for quite a few large automotive companies. One is a bit of a challenge, something new, refreshing. You're free to think how you need to, think out the box, and essentially do things different to a company which has been around for 100 years. Yeah, one thing that surprised me was my first week here in Steyr, literally walking around after dinner, and we bumped into Shell. And you know, it's quite rare that you bump into someone like a director from your company. Again, he's very approachable, and it's something that I never ever saw in the other large automotive companies. Volta Trucks to me means safety, innovation and sustainability.